Cleaning our homes is a task that most of us have a love-hate relationship with, and when it's dirty, gross, and causes your sink to back up, you might hate it even more. There are simple solutions, though, that can really help you, like putting salt down your drain every night or using a lemon in your microwave. So how do you use them? What are some of these easy hacks? Let's have a look. These hacks are easy to implement and can help you maintain a pristine living environment without breaking a sweat. Number 1, putting salt down your sink. Your kitchen sink can truly be quite a nasty place. Thanks to its obscure nature, it can be quite hard to keep tabs on just how dirty the sink is becoming. In addition to that, you can't really scrub it clean either. So, more often than not, we only really realize how dirty the sink is when it becomes clogged and backs up the water you're trying to drain. By that point, you really don't want to deal with whatever grime and debris is causing this. Luckily, this can all be avoided with the simple use of putting salt down your sink every night. Drumroll, please, for the amazing bicarbonate soda salt that is a wonder when it comes to cleaning your sink. It's literally as simple as mixing half a cup each of salt, baking soda, vinegar, and then some very hot boiling water. Pour the salts down the sink, followed by the vinegar. Leave the vinegar to activate the salt and foam for a few minutes, and then chase it all down with the boiling water. The salt mixture will work hard at breaking down the fats and debris in the pipe, which can then be successfully washed away by the vinegar and hot water. Number 2, lemon for a sparkling microwave. Ah, the microwave. The wonder of the kitchen that can help you cook and warm all different foods. This underrated appliance is often the most dirty one in the kitchen. It's easy to build up food splatters and other not-so-nice things in a warm environment like that. The only problem is when you notice it, it's probably been there for a while already. By that point, trying to get all the horrible splatters off can be quite a challenging task. In addition to the awkward nature of a microwave, it can be quite difficult to scrub it nice and clean. There is, however, a wonderful hack where you can employ the use of the humble lemon. It's as simple as slicing a lemon in half, placing it in a microwave-safe bowl filled with water, and heating it for a few minutes. The steam created by the lemon-infused water will soften the grime, making it easier to wipe away with a damp cloth. This not only leaves your microwave sparkling clean, but also keeps it smelling fresh and citrusy. Number 3, vinegar and dish soap all-purpose cleaner. Have you ever found yourself cleaning your home with so many products you need a whole cupboard just for them? Having a cleaner for each part of your home might seem like the right thing, but in reality it's not necessary. In fact, many cleaning products contain extremely harsh chemicals that can harm you and your family. So why not avoid it all entirely? It's as simple as making yourself your own all-purpose cleaner, and you don't need a laboratory to do it. All you need to do is mix equal parts of white vinegar, dish soap, and water together in a spray bottle. This magic mixture will soon have all your countertops, bathtubs, and even shower doors sparkling back at you. The vinegar serves as a disinfectant, helping to get rid of all the horrid bacteria living around your home, whilst the dish soap cuts through whatever stubborn grime there might be. Thanks to this, you can throw away all the other superfluous products and use your own magic formula for everything. Number 4, the magic of dryer sheets. You might love your dryer sheets for your laundry. After all, this is what they are made for. Keep that pesky lint off your clothes and leave them looking brand new. However, dryer sheets are not just for your laundry. They can be used as cleaning hacks too. Perhaps in a way that you would least expect. You can use them to wipe down dusty surfaces, such as baseboards, blinds, and electronics. Gone are the days of the feather duster, leaving behind particles of dust and feathers. With the anti-static properties of dryer sheets, you can clean your surfaces of dust with ease. They can help to repel dust and keep surfaces cleaner for longer. In addition to keeping dust and the like at bay, you can also use the humble dryer sheet to clean your bathtub. Yes, you heard that right. Your bathtub. Ever struggle with that pesky soap scum ring on your bath? If you use a simple dryer sheet, you can say goodbye to it completely. The dryer sheet has just enough friction to scrub away the soap scum without causing any damage to the surface of the bath. Number 5, toothbrushes for detail work. Ever found yourself wanting to scrub a small and obscure place only to have the biggest scrubbing brush? This is where the good old toothbrush can really come in handy. The next time you need to change out your toothbrush for a new one, keep the old one. You can simply repurpose it as a useful cleaning tool. Toothbrushes are the perfect tool for getting into tight spaces, cleaning grout lines, and tackling small, hard-to-reach spots in your kitchen and bathroom. They're gentle enough not to scratch surfaces, but effective enough to remove grime. Number 6, steam clean for a chemical-free clean. Have you ever found yourself horrified at the thought of just how dirty your home could be? Sure, you may clean it regularly and try to keep it sparkling, but this doesn't mean it's sanitized and clean enough. By investing in a steam cleaner, you can completely change your cleaning routine for the better. Steam cleaning not only eliminates dirt and grime, but also sanitizes surfaces using only water, making it an eco-friendly and chemical-free option. This is especially ideal if you have young children. You can use it to clean your floors, tiles, carpets, and even upholstery. You never quite know how dirty your couch or mattress can be, so use it there especially. You'll be astonished at the difference. Number 7, squeegee your carpets. Now don't forget your carpets. Whilst they are a warm and cozy thing to have in your home, there is no denying that carpets can really be a breeding ground for bacteria, allergens, and even dust mites. Luckily for you, there is a simple cleaning hack that will leave your carpets nice and clean without the effort of a deep clean. To refresh your carpets without deep cleaning, grab a squeegee, run it over your carpet, and watch it pick up pet hair and loose dirt that your vacuum might have missed. It's a quick and effective way to extend the life of your carpets between professional cleanings. Number 8, ice cubes to remove. Carpet indentations, big and heavy furniture can leave unsightly indentations on your carpet when moved. Nothing quite like rearranging your lounge, only to be left with reminders to anyone who visits how it used to be arranged. Luckily, there is a simple hack to help you avoid this. Ice. Using a simple block of ice can help your carpet bounce back from the horrid weight of the furniture it had previously held. All you have to do is place an ice block where the indentation is and let it melt. As the fibers of the carpet absorb the water, they will swell and slowly return to their original state. You can then softly blot the carpet with a towel to pick up any excess water and fluff the carpet up with a brush or your fingers. Number 9, a pillowcase for ceiling fan dust. Ever found yourself sneezing away only to realize your ceiling fan is the culprit? The only problem is that trying to get that dust off can possibly just make you sicker and the rest of your room dirtier. Ceiling fans are notorious dust collectors, but cleaning them can be such a messy affair. To avoid showering your room with dust particles while trying to get the blades clean, use an old pillowcase. You might be wondering why you've never thought to do this before. It's as simple as slipping it over each blade and gently pulling it off while holding the dust inside. This method helps to trap the dust coming off the blade while keeping your room clean. Keeping your home clean doesn't have to be a tedious and time-consuming chore. With these simple cleaning hacks, you can save time, money, and energy while maintaining a sparkling and fresh living space. Whether you're using everyday items like baking soda and vinegar or repurposing old toothbrushes and dryer sheets, these hacks will make your cleaning routine more manageable and efficient. What was your favorite hack? What do you do to help keep your home clean with ease? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.